Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. I was tagged by probably one of my favorite YouTubers. That's Reallybigmonkey1. And it's the 8-question tag. Now I've done a similar video to this, but I noticed there was a little bit different questions. But I thought I would go ahead and do it anyway because I have a lot of respect for David. Reallybigmonkey1, great channel, really great guy. So question number 1, what is your most memorable camp? I got these on my phone. That would probably be the desert trip. Well, the desert trip over to Eastern Washington with Lars, Londian, and Bruce from Nature Calls Backpacking. I was not an experienced backpacker, and it probably showed heavily. I had a lot of wrong gear. I brought stuff I didn't even need. Oops. Sorry, just trying to get the camera level. That's gonna be a cut. So yeah, very inexperienced, no bug spray, and there were mosquitoes everywhere. I mean, it was really thick. So just not a good, not for me. It was still fun, but it was an eye-opening experience and lessons learned the hard way. Okay, question number 2. Do you prefer to solo or social camps? I actually like both. In fact, I just talked about this in another video. Both have their advantages. It's fun to be out with friends when you're out here doing your thing, but it's also nice to come out by yourself, clear your head, just have time to reflect, think about things. So I like that. I like both of them. So 50-50 on the do you prefer the solo camp. Question number 3. What is your favorite knife? That's tough because I love them all. Probably the BK7. Where did you learn all your bushcraft skills? Trial and error, YouTube, reading comments. A lot of it's just trial and error, which I still err, but... number 5, what is my favorite fire starting method? Probably the ferro rod or the lighter, so it's kind of a toss-up. I like just getting the fire going, but I like using the ferro rod, but the lighter's great too. So number 6, what do you consider your most essential piece of kit? Wow, essential piece of kit. That's tough. I'll have to think on that. If I had to think about it, it'd probably be... I'm almost leaning towards backpack because it's so much easier to carry the stuff out to the woods when you go out to do your things. So I don't know if it's essential, but I'm kind of going with backpack. Question number 7, do I keep a bug out bag in my vehicle? No, I do not. In fact, I have no bug out bag at all. Now I've done the survival kit video, but I've also that's basically just my regular camping equipment. I have some items in the vehicle, but I really wouldn't call it bug out because I have no way of carrying it. So what do you prefer to bring? Alcohol, wood, or gas stoves? Well, that's a tough one because I like using them all. If I had a preference, it'd probably maybe be wood, but I don't really have a lot of wood stoves. I like making fire the most, so yeah, I don't know, I like them all, so I don't know if I can necessarily pick one. Alright, well, as always, I appreciate you watching. I may scroll some names. If I think of somebody I'm going to tag in this video, I will scroll their names at the end. So, appreciate you watching, and catch you in the next one.